friends, Namaskar dosto. Very warm welcome to Commodity Market Playbook of SD. I'll keep this video a little small and tight due to time shortage. But today I think it is important to discuss it. What I'm thinking, this will help out the student. First of all, I'll take you to trading economics. Trading economics, if you go to the calendar, and in calendar, if we go to today is the most important data of the forex market or the global market or the commodity market is going to come. That is the US unemployment report or non-farm payroll report. This report is significantly important and the most volatility generating, means fluctuation generating report. You can hit stop losses on the both sides, especially in case of gold, silver. So this is a very important data, and it can, not always, but it can trigger a new trend. So natural gas, what's my playbook? Let me come to. First of all, December is not a great month to do commodity, jump into a lot of good trends. No, not a month like that. Usually commodity market का video मैं कम करूंगा because my playbook basically becomes more and more empty during this December period. December period, I focus on this myself, little bit of admin work that I have with these groups and etc. So this kind of work I focus on travel. So let's talk about zinc. Largely, I tried zinc in the 125 minutes. I did not get anything much. So once after certain movement, I moved the stop loss to the break even. So it is basically a break even exit. Today, I was closely watching zinc to see if it can go up, but it could not, means a bigger range. On a Friday, I'm not going to hold up any kind of range right now. Aluminium, I've been waiting too long, and clearly the grade is another failure. At the top of the level जो हम लोग डिस्कस कर चुके हैं, this blue line level is the mountain top area. फिर से वहां से failure. So लग रहा है this is more linked to China. So China and US का tension, unless clears up with Trump administration coming in, this can remain paralyzed. But it is giving a broad bullish signal, but not good traction मिल रहा है कि trade wise. Previously on the year we had very good move. बहुत बढ़िया बढ़िया मूव मिला, but currently it's more of a range. So I'm largely avoiding the base metals. If I look at copper rather looks interesting, but copper, I think at this area, I like to more see copper with the ETF. ETF के जरिए इन्वेस्ट करना पसंद करूंगा rather than jumping into these derivatives trading. Because I want beautiful, clear up, clarity, trend. So now neither I'm fundamentally clarity I have, nor do I technically have awesome picture, because daily chart, if I look at it's at resistance, if it breaks, the trigger is clear. So I'll go for small trades. I don't think I'll go for anything big. I'm not expecting big trends happening, at least in the base metals. What my idea is, gold, silver is different from what could be other people are thinking at this point. I'm bearish on gold because I think I'll make more money on the bear side right now, with sentiment being bullish. And I expect, first of all, this is a very risky bet. I have not taken my full force. Means whatever quantity I can do, I am currently sitting on around 10%, but I think I'll push it. I'll push it probably towards 25%, but I can incur loss because of this non-farm payroll. It can give a opposite side move. It can turn out to be a bull trap. But in that case, I'll book my loss. I'll not argue with the market. I'll get out. There will be zero doubt in my mind in getting out. Currently, I will want to do more. Currently, to do more than 10% of my capacity, I would like this low to be once again being taken out. मैं चाहूंगा कि ये लो टेक आउट हो. अब इसके लिए गोल्ड कैन गो अप आफ्टर नॉन फार्म, तो इस एरिया पे मैं शॉर्ट कर रखना पसंद करूंगा $2677 के आसपास. If I look at India gold chart, चलो let's look at gold mini. This is where the level break I'll want 75,900 and very possibly 70,750, which can break. I would want, and to go the buy side, I'll not hold stop loss. First of all, non-farm runs a risk of hitting stop loss. But stop loss, I think fair stop loss will be above 76,800. So currently I'm not planning to go for an incremental position, but if this starts breaking down, I think I definitely like to go for this short position. Now about silver is showing more of a bullish. I can see the Dow structure is hitting there. That is another problem कि gold silver is hitting on the opposite side, different direction दिखा रहा है, both in the international and in the national picture, means MCX picture. यहाँ पे silver is showing bullishness, whether if I look at international, gold is showing bearishness. That means we can have consolidation, na bear jita, na bull jita. So unless this confusion gets cleared, I like to have little bit of this trial positions to see and feel. Sometimes just standing outside the market is not enough. I want to feel it with my position, but not, of course, with the full position. And I'm more than silver. I don't think I'm looking for any trade in silver because I don't have the bearish signal. I love to have a bearish signal first to sell, like rainbow sell, and to buy, I'm not confident. There was a buy signal, but I'm not confident. Keep buying with this resistance is coming up. Even it breaks, we have upper resistance. So I'll be careful. I want to be more convinced about what I'm doing with silver. Unless I become more convinced with price, I don't think I'll be playing silver. Let's look at what crude oil has to do. It has been long in range, and once again from resistance, it is falling. No idea what I might do because it has been so long in a range. Many times it has tried. I've been sitting outside, though it is feeling like I want to do now after a long time. I possibly want to go short on crude oil. I want to feel this like market wrath or whatever it is with my own position. So I'd like to go short on crude oil, and I'll keep the 5832 as stop. And natural gas, I've gone short a bit. Natural gas looks bearish and it looks heavy. So I've gone up slight another tester position because I don't have everything in place. The white cross is still outside the candle body, and I don't want to hold very tough big stop losses. Anything above 261 would be, this could be a tight stop. I want to play, even if it's a small position, I want to play with the tight stop. However, the daily chart is the one that is I'm more focusing on. It is not actually the 125 minutes chart. Daily chart is my focus. So daily case up se though bigger stop loss is there, this flat line. So, but I'll still keep a tighter stop as I start the natural gas. And once natural gas will give me more confidence in terms of the candles, the candle size, white cross, I'll be entering this position more quantity. So these are the commodity market current playbook. I'm largely not so inclined will be to hold this position overnight unless it's in a good profit. I'll really give a serious thought about closing it, though it's not an intraday position, but unless it's a good profit, I'll think should I hold this over the weekend. And gold is one I'm more interested. I'm more interested in anything than anything is in the gold, because gold has the sentiment of currently we don't have a reason to go short immediately. But gold is sentiment is ka bullish hai. I know retail is bullish, and as retail is bullish and gold drops sharp, like gold, if it all goes well, say suppose on the downside, it can definitely drop to 581, but bigger drop, which I highlighted previously also, that it can go for a 2440 area, which will be a very big drop for the gold, and retail sentiment after a certain point, it will start sharply selling. So that will be a follow-up. So I'm very interested in selling gold. But I'm waiting for this alerts. And I think what I will do is some position I'll keep during this non-farm on a stop loss sell basis. one on the sell resistance, showing the levels. So levels के हिसाब से I'll go for a sell resistance and more little more on the sell breakdown. But there is a heavy risk of that. So of course, heavy risk means we always will be placing stop losses. And this I have not decided. Nothing is decided. As I see, this is a broad structure. कि मैं क्या सोच रहा हूँ, which kind of position. This is not say I'll do this. As the day progress, market will not move much unless non-farm is done, especially gold, silver. Gold, silver, whatever happens will be happening during the non-farm payroll. So that's all for thank you for the watching the video. This is my commodity market playbook. I hope you have enjoyed it. All the best from my side. And as always, happy trading.